Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Chaudhary. I am studying in MBA first year of SA Institute of Management, and today we are going to discuss topic quality management, which is topic is in perspective management subject. And now we will start our introduction of total quality management, that is TQM. So, what is TQM? TQM implies that everyone associated with the organization is committed towards continual improvement of the organization through customer satisfaction. TQM is a road to success. With the introduction, TQM is defined as a both philosophy and a set of guiding principles that represented the foundation of a continuous improving organization. It is the application of quantitative method and human resources to improve all the processes within an organization and exceeds customer needs now and in future. TQM has a six basic concepts. The first one is management commitment to TQM principles and methods and long-term quality plan for the organization. The second one is focus on the customer. Third one is quality at all levels of the workforce. Fourth one is continuous improvement of production business process. Fifth one is treating supplies as partners. Sixth one, establish performance measure for the processes. Now, TQM principle. TQM principles, the first one is focus on the customer. For to improve our quality, we have to focus on the customer. It means that the we have to improve our quality as per the requirement of customer. Customer is means that the customer satisfaction is more important thing in total quality management. As per requirement, we can improve our quality of our product. Second one is employee involvement. The for to improve total quality, so involvement of employees is very important factor because without any teamwork, nothing is possible. And total quality management is also the part of that. From upper level management to the workplace level management, the total all people should be involved there so that the total quality management can be takes place. The third one is process center. Process centered means the process total quality management is the center process. It means that the if if the problems are in any field or any mm, section of total quality management, it means that if there is a problem of shop floor, so that the problem should be known to upper level management also, ki what is going on there and what is the problem, because these all affect on the quality of the product. So that process should be process centered. The fourth one is integrated system. The system should be integrated. And fifth one is strategic and systematic approach. Strategy and systematic approach, it means that there are different strategy in the production of any product, so that the strategic and systematic approach is also affect on total quality management. And next one is continuous improvement. Continuous improvement means the process is the continuous improvement process. It means that in the market the choices of people are always changes, and so that according to their choices our quality should be improvement. Different changes advancement are there, so that continuous improvement is required. And this point we have to focus on this point. very efficiently. Fact-based decision making. Fact-based decision making means the total actually requirement. So what is the actual requirement? On that we have to work and take a decision. And communication is also important factor in total quality management, because without communication we can't improve our product quality. So that communication is also important point. These are all the principles of total quality management. And now we will discuss the benefit of total quality management. The benefits of total quality management: you have first benefit, improved quality. Improved quality means quality is always improved in total quality management. Second one, employee participation. Every employee will participate in improvement. So that this is the benefit. And teamwork, it's a teamwork. The fourth one is working relationship. Working relationship should also improved by total quality management. Customer satisfaction. Customer can be satisfied in total quality management, because where the taste and preferences are always changes of customer. So that in total quality management, customer satisfaction is also carried out in TQM. Employees also satisfied. If we improved our quality of product, then product sale is more, and then we can get a revenue or profit of our on our product, and so that employee will also satisfied. This is also benefit of total quality management. Productivity is also increased. Why the productivity will increase? Because the customer will satisfied by our product, then the demand will be increased in the market, so that our productivity will also increase. Communication is also improve in that, because for total quality management all the levels of management are interact with each other, so that communication is also improving. Profitability we have discussed. If the quality is good, then the demand will be increased in the market, and then our supply will also increase, and these all will get increment in profit of our market share is also increased due to total quality management. These are all the benefits of TQM. Thank you very much.